Caveman Murph here. We're reviewing the R-Grill Spit XXL. It's in the middle of a cook. As you can see, I've got a pig here. And that's a 66-pound pig with probably another 10 pounds worth of vegetables and seasoning on the inside. And we have the R-Grill firebox here. And as you can see, we're cooking pretty good. So that stainless steel bar is handling that 66-pound pig with ease. It's not bowing one little bit. And as you can tell, that motor is not making hardly any noise. Overall, we have a really successful cook going here. So this is the final video of the R-Grill series. Again, as you can see, it's being held by these bearings. Those connection jam nuts are doing really good. It's holding that 66-pound pig without breathing hard. Those bearings are rolling, and everything seems to be holding up really well. None of the parts or pieces are having any problems with the heat from the fire. I reviewed earlier the firebox. I did the assembly, and it's doing really good. I'm gonna have to kill that flame. We are getting some good radiation from that panel, and again, this finalizes the series. I'm gonna go enjoy my dinner. Thank you very much.